ईरानी वजीर खارجہ अब्बास अराग़ची ने दावा किया है कि इसराइल अमरीकी हिमायत के बगैर ईरान पर हमला नहीं कर सकता। तेहरान के पास अमरीकी ताउन के शवाहिद मौजूद हैं जो दुनिया को दिखाए जा सकते हैं। अब्बास अराग़ची ने वाज़ेह किया है कि इसराइल ने ईरान की जौहरी तंसीबात पर हमला करके रेड लाइन अबूर कर ली है। दुनिया को इसराइली जारहियत का नोटिस लेना चाहिए।
US government is supporting Israel through different channels. We have received the US message that the United States has had no role in this attack. As I said, we don't believe this US claim. We have evidence showing the otherwise. United States government should just make its position very clearly and condemn attack against Iran's nuclear facilities very clearly and in a public manner. I hope that the international community will pay close attention to this issue and against Israeli crimes, Israeli violations, and Israel's crossing of all red lines in international law will take a strong position, and this is the best path to establish peace in the region and in the whole.